Hi friends, good morning. This is Uma. Now I am currently working as a senior chemistry lecturer in Sri Gurukula Vidyalayam Junior College of Science, Kasivugga, Padasa town, Srikakulam district and Andhra Pradesh state. Today I would like to start Part 10 of Structure of Organic Molecules, which is subtopic of General Organic Chemistry. General Organic Chemistry. In Part 10, we will see hybridization for carbene molecule. Hybridization for dash molecule, carbene. It is a typical example for hybridization of organic molecule. Clear? That is third typical example. What's a typical example? For hybridization of carbene. Typical example 1 and typical example 2 are covered in part 9. Now we will see part 10. In part 10, we will see typical example for hybridization of carbene molecule. Shall I move? Thank you. Carbene, two types are. Carbene divided in two types: singlet carbene, triplet carbene. Singlet carbene, triplet carbene. We will see singlet carbene. Okay. Singlet carbene. In singlet carbene, if two electrons are in opposite direction or spin, then it is called singlet carbene. In carbene, if two electrons are in opposite direction, then it is called singlet carbene. Now see sir, two electrons. Opposite direction. Two electrons are in opposite direction. Clear? This electron spin plus of, this electron spin minus of. Clear? Total spin, tell me sir, total spin plus of minus of is equal to 0. Total spin what sir? 0. Clear? Now M is equal to 2s plus 1. M means what? Spin multiplicity. M means what? Spin multiplicity. Spin multiplicity is equal to 2s plus 1. See sir, 2 for singlet carbene, total spin how much sir? 0 plus 1 is equal to 1. That's why we called as singlet carbene. If spin multiplicity of carbene is 1, then that carbene we called as singlet carbene. Clear? First definition or second definition? No problem at all. In first definition, what sir? In carbene, if two electrons are in opposite direction, then it is called singlet carbene. Opposite direction. This is plus of direction, this is minus of direction. These two electrons in opposite direction. So total spin how much sir? This is plus of minus of 0. Then we can calculate spin multiplicity is equal to 2s plus 1, 2 into 0 plus 1, 1, that is singlet. That means if spin multiplicity of carbene is 1, then it is called singlet carbene. Singlet carbene. Are you clear? So next point. In this carbene, that is singlet carbene, lone pair is consider lone pair is considered to calculate hybridization. This is important. Lone pair is considered to calculate hybridization. See sir, carbene. This lone pair you have to consider to calculate hybridization. Carbon valency how much sir? 1, 2, 3, 4. Each hydrogen form one sigma bond. This lone pair we have to consider in case of singlet carbene. Tell me sir, hybridization. Tell me sir, for singlet carbene, hybridization is equal total sigma bonds 2 plus lone pairs 0, that is 2, that is what sir? sp2 hybridization. That means in singlet carbene, carbon atom undergoes dash hybridization sp2. Why sir? Lone pair we have to consider. That is called singlet carbene. I hope you can understand. Now we will see triplet carbene. Shall I move? Better take screenshot. Are you ready? Okay. Triplet carbene. Triplet carbene. In carbene, if two electrons are in, tell me sir, same direction, opposite. Leave it. Same direction. That is same spin. Then it is called, tell me sir, then it is called triplet. Triplet. Triplet carbene. That means what sir? Same electrons in opposite, same spin. Two electrons are in same spin means what? Same direction. This is also plus of. Total spin how much sir? Plus of how much? 1. Now spin multiplicity is equal to s plus 1. Here, tell me sir, 2 into 1 plus 1, that is 3. 3 means what? Triplet. 3 means what sir? Triplet. That means if spin multiplicity of carbene is 3, then it is called triplet carbene. Clear? Now see, in this carbene, lone pair is not considered. This lone pair is not considered. Lone pair is not considered. Okay, there is repulsion. Same direction means what? There are two electrons are repulsions to each other. That is, it leads to unstable. That's why this lone pair is not considered to calculate hybridization. That means what, sir? This lone pair of electrons not considered. Not considered. That means hybridization what, sir? I made mistake previous example. 2 plus 1 previous 2 plus 1 then 3 sp2 hybridization. Sorry, in previous singlet carbene 2 sigma bonds on lone pair, 2 plus 1 is equal to 3 sp2 hybridization. Now see triplet carbene. Triplet carbene, tell me, sir. Very easy. Triplet carbene hybridization is equal to 2 sigma bonds plus 0. That is what, sir? 2. That is hybridization. What, sir? sp hybridization. In case of singlet carbene, 2 plus 1 lone pair is considered. In case of triplet carbene, 2 plus 0 lone pair is not considered. That is sp hybridization. This is a triplet carbene. Clear? Better to take screenshot. Okay. Finally, we have to remember only 2 points. Singlet carbene undergoes dash hybridization. Singlet carbene undergoes which hybridization? sp2. Triplet carbene undergoes which hybridization? sp hybridization. This carbene hybridization is over, sir. Shall I move? Okay. Now we will see, based on hybridization, we will see some questions, previous questions. Okay. First question we have to write, sir. First question. What is the type of hybridization of each carbon in the following compounds? In the following compounds. Okay, sir. See, what is the hybridization? What is the hybridization of each carbon in the following compounds? Clear? Now we will see CH3Cl. Second one, CH3 C double bond O CH3. Third one, CH3 C double bond O CH3. Are you clear? Fourth question is CH3 C triple bond N. Tell me, sir, fastly tell me. Around the carbon all single bonds are present. We know that single bond carbon undergoes sp3, double bond carbon sp2, triple bond carbon sp. Single bond carbon undergoes sp3, double bond carbon undergoes sp2, triple bond carbon sp. Tell me, sir, this is what, sir? Around this carbon all are single bonds. That means sp3 hybridization. Each hydrogen forms single bond. Here also single bond. 4 single bond. That means sp3. Tell me, sir, this carbon atom undergoes dash hybridization. See, double bond carbon. That's why sp2 hybridization. What about this carbon? This carbon. This carbon. Tell me fastly. This is double bond carbon sp2. Tell me, sir. sp3, good. Here also sp3. What about this is sp3? Tell me, sir, tell me. This is triple bond carbon. That's it undergoes gas hybridization. sp hybridization. Better take screenshot. Shall I move second question? Good. What is the shape of the following compounds? What is the shape of the following compounds? Clear, sir? If sp3 hybridization shape, what, sir? Tell me, sir. No doubt. sp3 hybridization shape, what, sir? Tetrahedral. Tetrahedral. sp2 shape, trigonal planar. sp shape, linear. You know that, I think. You are familiar. sp3 hybridization shape, tetrahedral. sp2 trigonal planar. sp linear shape. Now see, sir. First question. CH2 double bond O. Second question, CH3F. Third question, CH3 triple bond N. Tell me, sir. Fastly tell me, sir. This is sp2 hybridization, double bond carbon. Double bond carbon shape, what, sir? Trigonal planar. Trigonal planar. Good. What about this carbon? All are single bond. That is sp3 hybridization. So sp3 hybridization shape, what, sir? Tetrahedral. What about this one, sir? Tell me, sir. This is sp hybridization. Triple bond carbon shape means what? Linear shape. Okay. Some more questions, previous G and NEET questions is there based on hybridization. We will see part 11. Thank you. Bye bye.